Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a group chat on TikTok app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First open the TikTok app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to feed page. Here, tap on profile icon at the bottom right and your profile page will open up. Now, tap on three lines at the top right and select settings from the drop-down menu. On this page, tap on privacy option and make sure your account is public. If it's private, make it to public. Now, go back to your profile and tap on inbox option at the bottom. Here, tap on the plus icon at the top and open any of the chat. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right, and you will be on this page. Here, select Create Group Chat, and then add a person you want to group chat with. Once done, click on this red color option, and that's it. So that's basically how you can make a group chat on TikTok app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.